Hello, my name is Julie White. I'm an Evolve 365 Learning Strategist with Planet Technologies. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today I want to talk about where your files are actually being stored when you're sharing and collaborating in Microsoft Teams. Let's take a look. When you're in the chat feature of Microsoft Teams and you attach a file to one of your chat messages, that file is being uploaded to OneDrive for Business and automatically being shared with members of that chat. If you need to manage files that you're adding or uploading to a chat, you can actually go to OneDrive for Business, find the folder labeled Microsoft Teams Chat Files, and see all of the files that you've shared in any different chat. From here, you can manage sharing permissions, delete the file, or even edit it. When you share files using Microsoft Teams, and you're either uploading files through the Files tab of a channel, or you're attaching them to a post, those files are being stored in SharePoint Online. If you ever need to manage those files within SharePoint, for instance, if you'd like to see the document versions, you can actually open in SharePoint. When you use the Open in SharePoint feature, you'll be taken to the channel folder within the document library assigned to the team. If I back out to this document library, you can see that I have a folder for each of my team channels. Documents I upload to a channel get stored in these folders. One thing to note about working in the SharePoint library that's associated to a Microsoft team is that if you add a new folder here, it will not create a new channel in Microsoft Teams. So if you need to create a new channel to organize new files, make sure to do that in the Teams application. I hope this tips and tricks session was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.